We discussed the progress made within the past few months, but the challenges and ongoing needs within the department. Ken Quintanilla has more.
During this morning's oversight hearing with Rev and Tax, it was revealed that from the last oversight hearing in March to May this year, there's been an increase of $12.4 million in GRT accounts receivable. GRT Director John Camacho says this is as a result of being behind in processing GRT.
What's happening right now is as we assess the tax, basically it doesn't interface with the payments that are made through Treasurer of Guam. So it becomes a receivable until such time those interface come into play, then those receivables will go down.
Camacho adds the figures will continue to accumulate until they're reconciled, just as they did in the last oversight hearing. Rev and Tax informed lawmakers that this continues to be an issue because its point-of-sale system has been down since 2011. The total accounts receivable stands at $120 million.
But we still have a lot of work to do to try and get those receivables down.
Camacho stressed, however, that interfacing will occur once Rev and Tax implements software known as the Transaction Processing System, or TPS. Senator Michael Nicholas, however, says he's more concerned that there isn't a stopgap measure or Plan B for when systems go down.
Because for the numbers just keep adding up like this, and for us not to know exactly what is outstanding out there, it makes it very difficult for us to get a true picture of how effective we are at collecting the money that we're supposed to be collecting.
Camacho says in the meantime, Rev and Tax is doing a lot of manual work and has just finished processing 2011 GRTs and halfway through 2012's.
We just ask that, to be patient, and in the long run, it will be resolved.
This, however, is the third oversight hearing, and Nicholas asked what DRT needs to make the changes, whether it's more manpower or resources. He notes while progress has been made, such as reducing outstanding receivables for 1040s by $32,000, more needs to be done.
Because if we're constantly increasing our collections, that means that we're going to constantly have items falling out of the statute of limitations, and that means that our people's money is not going to be collected on time.
The oversight lasted 2 hours and discussed other issues such as collecting from those businesses with outstanding taxes before they renew their business license. It was noted over 20,000 businesses are in this situation and have since been sent letters to make good on their payment or opt for a payment plan. Nicholas, meanwhile, hopes to have another oversight hearing every month. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.